Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for 9th class, chapter 1, real numbers, and in this video we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 1.4, 5th bit. For other videos, for other problems from this exercise and before exercises, please follow the link in the description. Here is your 5th question. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Okay, so whatever question is given, for that we should rationalize the denominator. Here is your first question. 1 by 3 plus root 2. Okay, so we should do the rationalizing for denominator. So rationalizing means simple. Whatever denominator is there, that one you should take as it is, 3 root 2. If it is in plus, if the given question is in plus, write here minus. Okay, rationalizing means writing the same thing but with opposite sign. Okay, means into. Okay, rationalizing means into, write the same thing as it is, put into and write this one with opposite sign. So I can write as 3 minus root 2, and in the denominator also you should write 3 minus root 2. Okay, so this is your rationalizing. Write the same thing with opposite sign. Okay, multiply the same thing with opposite sign in the numerator as well as in the denominator. It is shown like this. Okay, so here plus is there, so we should multiply with minus in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, and one more important thing to be remembered easily is, here whenever you are rationalizing by multiplication, here rationalizing means we are doing multiplication, right? So here multiplication, the denominators will be in the formula of a plus b into a minus b. Always it will be this formula only, because we are taking opposite sign of same digits, same terms. Okay, we are taking the same terms here, right? But with opposite signs, means it will be a plus b into a minus b formula always. Okay, rationalizing problems, always the denominator multiplication will be a plus b into a minus b formula only. Okay, now let us multiply these numerators. 1 into anything will give you the same number, so I can write 3 minus root 2 in the numerator, and in denominator we just discussed that it is always in a square minus b square. Okay, so a square means 3 square minus b square means root 2 square, right? So here square and root will be cancelled. So your step will be like this. 3 minus root 2, we can write this as it is because it is an irrational number, we cannot solve it. Okay, by 3 square means 9, 9 minus 2. So 3 minus root 2 by 9 minus 2. So we know that 9 minus 2 can be simplified. This can be simplified, but it is not simplified because it is a sum of rational and irrational number. It is an irrational number, so we cannot simplify it. Here these two are rational numbers, so we can solve them. So 9 minus 2 will give you 7. Okay, so this is your final answer for 1 by 3 plus root 2 rationalizing. Okay, so let us use this same method and simplify the next problems. Here is your next question. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Okay, so what? No need to worry about this. Simply multiply this one with opposite sign. Okay, so rationalize the denominator. Okay, root 7 minus root 6 is our question. So we should write into root 7 plus root 6. Okay, so into root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Okay, so multiply the numerators. Okay, and we just discussed that always the denominators multiplication will use one formula, that is a minus b into a plus b, which gives you a square minus b square. Okay, so multiply the numerators. 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 by, here we have to use this formula, right? We have to use this identity. So a means root 7, so root 7 square, minus b means root 6, so root 6 whole square. Okay, so here square and root cancels, here also square and root cancels, so we'll have root 7 plus root 6 by, here we'll have, whenever it is cancelled, 7 minus, if these two are cancelled, 6. Okay, so let us simplify it further. So root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6. These two are the sum of two irrational numbers, so we cannot solve it. But in the denominator we have two rational numbers. 7 minus 6 we can simplify. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. So I can write it as root 7 plus root 6, because in the denominator 1 means no need to write that. So your answer is root 7 plus root 6. Here is your next question. 1 by root 7. Okay, same procedure. Here you may ask me one question that here no plus or no minus is there. Then how we will do rationalizing? Simple. Just multiply with the same irrational number, means into root 7 divided by root 7. Clear? If there is a sign, if there are two terms, you should write the opposite sign. Okay. If there is only the irrational number, just into with that number only. Okay. So rationalize the denominator, means here we have root 7. So you into and divide by root 7. Okay. So here 1 into root 7 will give you root 7. And root 7 into root 7 is root 7 whole square. So square and root cancels. So you'll get root 7 by 7. Here is your next question. Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so here we have minus symbol. So we should write its opposite symbol and we should multiply and divide it. Right? That is our rationalizing the denominator. So rationalize the denominator means we should write into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, multiply the numerators, and in denominators multiplication we'll have always one identity, that is a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so as the numerators are root 6 into this one, so you write them as it is root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 divided by, here use this identity, root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Okay, so square root cancel, here square root cancel, so you'll get 3 minus 2. Okay, so root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus 2. So let me take the here 3 minus 2, we can simplify it, so it will give you 1. Okay, so here in the denominator if it is 1, no need to take it. And the next step, so here you should distribute this root 6 to both root 3 and root 2, because they are under multiplication. So I can write as root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2. Okay, multiply, because root a into root b equals to root ab. Okay, so root 6 into root 3 is root 18 plus root 6 into root 2 is root 12. Okay, you can leave it, or else you can simplify it further. 18 means you do the prime factorization, you'll get 2 9s 18, 3 3s 9, right? So 3 1s 3, right? So here from 3 2 3s you should write 1 3, and that 2 is written in the square root. So it is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, so this is your answer after rationalizing. So rationalizing means just take the opposite sign of the given question, the denominator, and multiply with it. Okay, and always remember, after rationalizing the denominators, when they are multiplied, always the identity used is a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.